Welcome to the Accessing GovConnectIowa series. This tutorial will walk you through how to file an alcohol report. Please note that the appearance of your pages in this tutorial may look different due to system updates. You must be signed in and connected to an alcohol account to file a report. Be sure to check out our additional tutorial on signing up to learn more. I am all signed up and connected, so I will enter my information now. And I will enter my password to complete my login. The process to file, amend, or view reports is simple. For this example, we are going to use the Class A native wine permit. To begin, simply click the File, Amend, or View Tax Returns Reports hyperlink. All available reporting periods will be listed within this tax report section. I can see that I have an overdue report to file. I can file this report by clicking the File Now hyperlink. Begin by adding your starting inventory and inventory additions. Entries in the first 3 fields will auto-populate the 4th total field. I will begin adding my information and will then scroll down. Next, enter your tax-exempt inventory deductions, which again will auto-populate on line 10. Then, add your ending inventory in gallons on line 11. The difference of lines 4, 10, and 11 will be totaled automatically on line 12. I have added my ending inventory, which has helped to complete all math under the tax calculation section. It appears I will owe some money, which is helpful, so I can show you how to submit a payment through this system. Lastly, you will need to attach any production reports and excise tax reports within the Submit Your TTB Report section. Click the Choose Files or Drop Here button to upload your documents from your local computer. Optionally, you can add an attachment description within the text box. Now that my report has been added, I will click Next. There are 2 payments options from which you can choose to pay, either by bank account or by credit card. If you choose to pay with a bank account, it is recommended that you contact your bank ahead of payment to authorize payments originating from the Iowa Department of Revenue. If you choose to pay by credit card, it is important to note that a service fee will be charged by the credit card processing vendor. This service fee is collected by the vendor, and it is not revenue to the Iowa Department of Revenue. We are going to show how to submit a payment with a bank account. I will select that option and will then click Next. Pay close attention to the banner that appears. The payment may take up to 5 business days to process. Penalty and interest may show while payments are being processed. The balance will adjust after the payment post to your account. Then simply enter the account information. I have added my routing number and will now enter and confirm my account number. Select whether this account is a checking account or savings account, and then choose whether or not you would like to save this payment method for future use. Finally, if needed, make changes to the billing information based on the chosen payment method. Once this step is complete, click Next to continue. Finally, you are ready to submit your native winery tax report. Read the declaration statement and then enter your password, followed by clicking Submit. Be sure to write down your confirmation number. This number can be used if you have any questions and need to contact the department. You can also click Printable View to print the confirmation page. This return and payment will now be processed and worked by the department. Once you are ready, click OK to return to your dashboard. Now, instead of File Report, we can click on the View Submission hyperlink to view our submitted report. If the report is in a submitted status, you have the option to click the Withdraw or Delete hyperlink. If you need to edit a submitted report, you must click Withdraw first. When the report status is processed, you will no longer be able to edit or delete the report and will be required to amend to make any additional changes. I will return back to my tax report menu by clicking the Tax Reports hyperlink in the top left. The status is now filed, with a received date, which means my only options are to view or amend the report. I will click that hyperlink now. The status now shows as filed, and our options are to print or amend. If you need to amend your report, click the Amend hyperlink, make your changes, and submit the amended report. For more videos and help on how to navigate the GovConnect Iowa portals, visit revenue.iowa.gov/GovConnectIowa and our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.